In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill empty cells with values from above or below in Excel. We'll be working inside Microsoft Excel, and this is a really useful cleanup technique when your spreadsheet has blank cells in the middle of a list. This often happens with imported reports, copied tables, or grouped data where only the first row contains a label. Instead of filling those blanks one by one, Excel gives you much faster ways to do it. One quick note before we begin: there are a couple of easy methods you can use. The fastest and most reliable option is Excel's Go to Special feature, and there's also a simple fill shortcut that works well in certain cases. First, open Microsoft Excel and load the worksheet that contains the blank cells you want to fix. For the first method, start by selecting the data range that includes the blanks. Make sure you only highlight the area you want to edit, because Excel will apply the fill within that selected range. Next, press Ctrl and G to open the Go-To window, then click Special. In the list of options, choose Blanks and click OK. At this point, Excel will select only the empty cells inside your highlighted range. This is what makes the method so efficient, because you can target all blanks at once instead of manually clicking through them. Now type an equals sign, followed by the reference to the cell above the first blank cell. For example, type equals A1 if the blank cell should copy the value from A1. The exact reference will depend on where your first blank cell is located, so just use the cell directly above it. Once you've entered that formula, press Ctrl and Enter at the same time. Excel will instantly fill all selected blank cells with the value from the cell above each one. This is usually the best way to fill gaps in a column while keeping the existing structure of your data intact. There's also another quick option if you want to fill down using a shortcut. Select the column that contains the blanks, then highlight the full range, including both the filled cells and the empty ones. After that, press Ctrl and D. This uses Excel's fill down command to copy values downward through the selected range. This shortcut can be handy, but it works best when the layout is simple and you're intentionally filling from the top cell downward. If your data has multiple scattered blanks, the Go to Special method is usually the cleaner choice. That's it. With these techniques, you can fill empty Excel cells in just a few seconds and make your data much easier to work with.